semuanya itu adalah merupakan keputusan pemerintah yang positif, keinginan dan kesadaran untuk kembali bernegosiasi.
If the situation is getting worse and Sira and Kem refuse to respect the process and mechanisms of the humanitarian pause, then we may consider to terminate the humanitarian pause, and we will intensify steps and actions to maintain security, law and order.
Sehingga penentuan apakah ada pilihan lain, apakah ada opsi lain.
The third options, the least preferred option, is to impose the state emergency law. If the situation is really worse and there is no indication that the elements in Aceh accept to proceed the political process established by the agreement in humanitarian pause.